Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to my channel. Very excited today. Today we're showing the day 4 of our trip to Atlanta, Georgia during spring break, and we went to the World of Coca Cola Museum in downtown Atlanta. Very fun. Please stay tuned to the end of the video where I sort of give my thoughts on the overall trip. I didn't do a lot of commentating while I was filming and stuff like that, but stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll sort of give my critique of the day and talk about what I liked, what I didn't like. But right now, if you could just like and subscribe this video, share with any friends that you might think will enjoy the sort of content I'm putting out. It means so much to me. I'm not a gigantic YouTuber, so every like and every time you hit subscribe really means a lot to me. And if you have any comments, please leave them below so that way I can offer feedback and chime in. I try to answer every comment that I can, so please feel free to do that. Stay tuned to the end of the video and I will be back. Thanks. Hey, what's up, fam? What's up, fam?
He doesn't like doing it in front of an audience.
It doesn't matter.
Where are we? Oh, we're going to the
Coca-Cola
World of Coca Cola Museum here in downtown Atlanta. Day 4 of our trip. Very excited. Let's check it out.
Right about now, we're just waiting on those doors up top to close, but until then, I'd like to turn your attention to these monitors here above my head. They are displaying every single artifact we have in the room. There's over 200 of them, and if you see it on the screen, it can be found. I've tested that, and it works. The Refresh Yourself machine can be found at the very last place you'd expect it to be.
welcome back. I hope you liked the video. It was very fun. It was sort of a gloomy day that day. Did want to give my thoughts, like I said at the beginning. I said to come back and give my thoughts on the World of Coca Cola Museum, since I didn't do a lot of critiquing and stuff while I was filming. I can say that it's not a full day activity. I don't think you need to set a whole day aside. Now, if you decide to show up later in the day, that might take you till, I think the last entry is 4 o'clock, and they closed at 5 when we were there. So that might make you feel rushed. But we went in, I think it had already been open for about 3 hours. I think we were there for about 3 hours. I think 3 hours is enough. So we kind of not sped through the different exhibits, but we didn't read every little detail. So if you want to do a deep dive into the world of Coca-Cola, then I think, yeah, you might want to be there all day. But there's lots to see. There's a lot of vintage and nostalgic stuff to see. Depending on your age group and what you gravitate towards, you'll see stuff that you're like, oh my god, I haven't seen that forever. They break the rooms down sort of by decades, so you get to see like a decade's worth of advertising and signs and sort of marketing materials. Like when they started to work with the Olympics, you get to see all the stuff that went along with that, the different can designs, and some of the stuff that's shockingly behind glass bottles of Coke that are 50, 60 years old that are worth a ton of money. But it's very involved. It's a lot of stuff. And you get to see artwork, the Santa-inspired artwork that we've all seen so much. And then a lot of like pop culture artists that have incorporated Coca-Cola into their artwork. And then of course, at the end, there's a big tasting room of like sodas that Coke has from around the world, not just the Coke products that we're familiar with here in the States. Although they do have it, they have a whole station in the back of the sampling room that's just Coca-Cola that we know and love. But they have stuff from all over the world. Some of it is super delicious, and others are just like, whoa, that's a little bit too much. But it's very fun, and you can to stay as long as you like. You get a little cup and just go from station to station. I really liked that a lot. That was a lot of fun. And then of course, right before you head out is the gift shop, which is ginormous. I don't even think my video remotely scratches half the surface of what was there. So much stuff, a lot of really cool clothes, stuff that you can see like you can only get at the Coca-Cola Museum. And then they have a lot of vintage signs. They're not real vintage signs, they're for decor purposes, so they're actually like made to look vintage. But again, you could spend probably another hour in there just walking around. But I wouldn't brace the whole day. Like maybe you want to do something else or step out and get lunch and like do something else. It's right next to the aquarium, but in my previous videos, the aquarium feels like an all-day event. We were there pretty much all day. So I don't know if I'd do the aquarium, but there's a lot of stuff to do there and a lot of stuff within walking distance. A lot of fun, totally worth it. I would recommend 3 hours, 4 hours or more if you're a hardcore fan. But you know, take it in, don't breeze through it. And there's a sort of a no pressure type of thing. You just kind of wander at your own pace, see what you want to see. There is a 3D movie, like a fun movie about Coca-Cola. Not really about it, it's like an old school 3D movie that you can take in. It's very fun, but it's old school 3D, so it makes your eyes kind of blurry, gives you a little bit of a headache. So if you're prone to that sort of thing, maybe you want to stay away. But it was very fun. It's like 15 minutes long. And yeah, that's it. So if you love nostalgia, if you love the feeling of Coca-Cola and what that sort of brings with it, this place is for you. Thank you so much for watching. New videos every Tuesday, and I will see you in the next one.